What's up, guys? We're doing the serial number random and the $25 group break credit giveaway for group break 200. We're going to go live. 453, 453. So we got all the names in the serial filler. Top spot after 3 randoms is going to get the Hellebuck, and the second spot is going to get all the inserts. 1, 2, 3. Eric, you get the Hellebuck. Grant, you get all the inserts. And this is for the 3-spot giveaway. Top spot after 3 times gets the $25 group break credit. 1, 2, and 3. Keith with the $25 win. Congrats, guys.